Today I'm going to show you how to refill, how to put flint into your lighter. You would check if your flint's not there anymore, just go like that. It doesn't want to light, and my flint, that's just a spacer and you don't want to do that. First you open it, take out your cartridge. Once you do that, you put the this side. Just gonna need this. Turn it around, and your golden thing, you want to twist it off. This thing will pop, so careful. You see the hatchet? Oh, came out. Okay, that's called a spacer, that's called a spring, and that is called the screw. On the lighter, what you're gonna do is tip it over. Inside your flint, just maybe no more in there. What you're gonna want to do is get your new flint and put it in there and screw it back on. Just gonna drop it in there. Okay, I'll drop it in there. Turn it, now you want to close the lid back on. Okay, once you're done putting your thing on, close it away. Put the hatchet up like that and put it back inside your case. Okay, once you have that on, put back the hatchet. Then just close it, and it opens. Hatchet's working. Now again, what to do is strike it. Just turn it on. Oh, it's going to fall down again. I can't strike it. What's wrong with it? I'll have to do this again. Wait. Okay, once you got that going on, you open it. You want to try to strike it first. It'll take a while, but just try it. Once you do that, now you want to try to strike it. Wait. Yeah, and it works. Yay! It works now. That's how you refill the flint. I put flint in your lighter. Zippo lighter. Thank you for watching. Watch my other videos. They're pretty great. Comment, subscribe, thumbs up the video. If you would like to enter to win a prize, all you have to do is subscribe, leave a comment saying whatever you would like, and I'll choose one. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.